Good afternoon, mothers of incarcerated sons and daughters. Before I say anything about me, I want to ask you something. How many of you go to sleep at night and your last thought is your child? And how many of you wake up and your first thought is them? That's why I say this. You are the hidden victims. When someone gets sentenced, people see the mugshot. They see the charges. They see the years. But they don't see the mother sitting in the car after visitation because she doesn't want her son or daughter to see her cry. They don't see the collect calls, the commissary deposits, the letters written at night, the birthdays missed, the holidays that feel empty. I know this because I was one of those sons. My mother didn't do the crime, but she carried the weight. Every court date, every rumor, every what are people going to say moments. She served time emotionally right alongside with me. And some of you are here carrying that same weight for your sons, some for your daughters. The pain is the same. The system doesn't just punish the individual, it ripples through the family. While I was inside, what kept me alive mentally was just the law library. It wasn't just the motions I filed. It wasn't even just the faith, although the faith carried me too. It was knowing that someone still believed I was more than my worst moment. Some people inside don't have that at all. Some don't have anyone picking up the phone. Some don't have anyone reminding them who they are outside those walls. You mothers are powerful. You are the last voice they hear before they hang up that call. You can say, you messed up, but you're still my child. And that balance, accountability with love can change everything. I believe in accountability. I don't believe in excuses. But accountability without hope turns into hopelessness, and hopelessness destroys people. When I came home, I made it my mission to make sure people behind the wall don't feel forgotten. That's why I wrote my book. That's why I talk about knowing your rights. That's why I speak about preparation, discipline, and faith. Because many of your children are coming home one day. The question isn't just when. The question is how. Will they come home bitter or built? And you play a bigger role in that than you may realize. Keep loving them. Keep pushing them to educate themselves. Keep reminding them that they still have value. And don't let shame silence you. From someone who was once the child behind those walls, your belief can be the difference between someone coming home broken or coming home transformed. I'm standing here because somebody believed in me. And your sons and daughters need that same belief. And I want to leave you with this. Do not underestimate the power of your belief. The system may label your child by a charge. Society may reduce them to a number. But you still get to call them by their name. You still get to remind them who they are. And even when they can't see a future for themselves, your voice can become the bridge between where they are and who they can become. I'm standing here as proof that prison doesn't have to be the end of the story. It can be the chapter that builds strength, discipline, and purpose. But only if there's hope attached to it. Keep being that hope. Keep holding them accountable. Keep loving them without shame. Because sometimes the only thing stronger than a sentence is a mother who refuses to give up. Thank you.